So I'm out metal detecting today, and I've got a few bits, two which to me are quite nice, so I'll just get them out. Don't do videos about metal detecting because generally I'm rubbish at it. So a few buttons, a walking stick end, ferrule I think, pot leg, a few bits of modern, but the significant ones are these. I think that's some kind of come off a horse leather or something, and what I originally thought was silver hammered. Just turn it over so you see the other side as well. I think it's more likely to be a bit of bling, but silver nonetheless. Beautiful surroundings alongside the canal. There you go. So took the time out. Got a lovely little canal right next to where I'm metal detecting. And hey look, it's the locks. So I'm on the Wolverhampton Canal, I think. And I can't read the name of the bridge. But a lovely little weir as well. So I thought just over my dinner time I'll do a little bit of magnet fishing as well. River Stour I think is below. So I think this is an overflow from the canal, which will pop into the River Stour below, I think. So I never find anything magnet fishing, but it's nice to have a play. And the lock's filling up. So anyway, this is the bridge we're at, Orr Bridge. And some lovely old steps to everything. And it's got drop off home. We're currently opening the locks for the boat to come down. So I found nothing magnet fishing. We'll go back and have another hour metal detecting. Surprised how quickly these boats drop as well. So in this deep down pit here, it's a boat. love me canals, as I'm sure you realised.